need a short piece to finish my project, so I'm gonna use this small radius piece and cut it with my wizard. So I just clamped it to this block and I'll cut it. That's how much plastic I might remove from the back side. There. Okay. Now I can put those clips on the ends. Okay, so this will be my last loop. You can see it's not a perfect circle. And this piece will go on the end here. Right now, I'm going to solder the remainder of the joints I didn't already solder. Now that my track is done, I am going to build my circuit plate. So that's going to hold my forward and reverse and the speed control. This is just a small little pulse width modulation circuit. This is a double pole, double throw, center tap off. I'm outside of my backyard and I'm continuing to install this panel. I finished the panel, wired it up. Now I'm cutting a hole in the side of the foam here so I can insert it. Okay, so I just cut a square, or I'm sorry, a rectangle in the bottom. And now I'm just going to pull this out. Okay, I'll be able to slip in the switch panel there and access the wires from here. Okay, I lowered it now. I'm gonna mark out with a marker underneath to trace a hole in the top. So I completed my helix, which is a continuous running helix that will climb a mountain and then go back down inside the mountain to make a complete loop. On the right side, I have my throttle here, speed control, forward, reverse, center tap off. Right here I have a pulse width modulation circuit that controls the lighting. I can dim it for nighttime and make it brighter for daytime. Okay, One feature I want to show here. Some people have asked me what happens if the train derails inside or you need to get inside to clean it. Well, the actual layout itself will not be permanently glued down. I'm eventually install magnets underneath just to keep it in place, but it will slide out. Okay, so I can get inside. It'll completely come out totally, like you see in my other videos. And then I have a wire, you see right back there, that detaches. So what I have here is basically gonna be two sections of the layout. You got the first one, the mountain, and then I have my top here. And I haven't exactly pinned down exactly what I'm gonna do on the top. I did have an idea of building the castle here with scenery and all. Actually, my family tell me they think I should do a city scene in the background, so I'm still trying to figure out the exact theme and what I'm going to build on top. But I just wanted to show you here how it's going to be. It can be separated to clean the inside of the track. So just push that inside.